since Metro Manila Film Fest, ready ka na rin ba lumaban kay Vilma at Juday? Siyempre, for Best Actress!
Of course.
O tingin nyo, direct na.
Ano naman?
May laban.
Kasi kaya ni Juju dito. Para ako yun di ba? Direct.
Oh.
You know what, I don't know, I'm not sure how to answer this question. Number one, sobra ko silang dalawang iniidolo. So even to mention my name beside theirs is medyo nakakajahe siya. But I think this alone, this film making it to the MMFF on their 50th year, and just being included is already such a great honor. So, ayun, like grateful naman ako with this alone.
And of course, best, would you say, ito yung isa sa best performances yet mo?
Sino? Alin po?
Ikaw, you would say na ito ay isa sa best performances mo. You showed yung isa sa best performances mo.
I don't know, I don't think I should be the one answering
Si
this.
Direk.
Feeling ko naman in every project, we just always try to give it our best.